Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for the Burn Scar in southwestern Lewis County in north central Idaho, south central Mid-Prince County in north central Idaho, southeastern Asotin County in southeastern Washington until 9:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Snake River Complex Burn Scar of 2021. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Snake River Complex burn scar. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms in and around the burn scar. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of areas in and around the burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of southwestern Lewis, south central Mid-Prince, and southeastern Asotin counties southwest of Winchester to Snake River. Roads including Eagle Creek Road, Zaza Road, Corral Creek Road, Madden Creek Road. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho: Lewis and Nez Perce, and Asotin, Washington.